All right, this video is to help with the linear search programming project or program, whatever you want to call it. And so you're just going to implement linear search. And there's a starter code for you here that you can download, load into Eclipse, and then watch. Sorry, it should look like this when you load it in. Right, so we've got an int array with a whole bunch of different ints in it. Okay, and I did make a method if you want to just display it. You can use the display array. There's a method already down there for that. All right. But what you have to do is write the method called linear search, right? So you can sort of look down here at the description of it and then try to code it. Okay, and so I would try that first, and then if you're stuck, then come back and watch more of this video for the pieces that you need. All right, so we're gonna do a linear search method, and it says the input parameters, which is one is an int array that we're searching in, and then the other one is the target number that we are trying to find. So I'm gonna do public static, leave a little space here, and it says output is none. We're just gonna do print saying where it was either it did not contain the target or the target number was found at position whatever. So the number 9 was found at position 5 or whatever. So it's a void method because we're just printing stuff out. So I'm going to call the method linear search. I suppose it should match the name that's up here. So linear search. And then I'm going to do int numbers or array or whatever you want to call it. That's supposed to be an int array, sorry. And then the target. So the number that we are looking for in the array. All right. And so now I'm just going to search through them. So basically, I'm going to loop through the numbers. So I'm going to do for int I equals 0. I is less than numbers dot length plus plus I. So that'll go each spot. You could do an enhanced for loop here too. That would be just fine. And then I want to do an if that if I find it at that spot. So if numbers position I equals my target, okay, then I want to say that it was found. So then I'm going to sysout print exactly what it says kind of here. So I'm going to say the number plus the target plus was found at, I'm going to go to the next line here. If I can do that. Normally I can do that a little bit better. Found at position, and then the index is my position. So that's where it's found at whatever this index I is. So the target number 9 was found at position 5 or whatever this is. So that should work. Okay, and then I don't want to do the else here because I don't know that it's not found until I've gone all the way to the end. Okay, so at the end of the for loop, then I could sysout print number not found. Okay, and let's see. Oh, so the other thing is, right now it's going to do both of these prints if it's ever found, right? But basically, if I find it, I want to stop. So what you can do here is you can break the method. Actually, let's not do break. Let's do return. And that'll make it stop, right? Even though it's a void method, you can still just type return with nothing, and that'll make the method stop, right? Because once we find it, we don't want to keep looking, especially because we have this at the end. So that I think should do it. Let me see if I save it and run it. See if we get what the number 9 was found at position 5. 199 was found at 99, and then number not found for the last one. So we could check. I think those are up here. 9 is found at 5, 99. 199 is found at 99 and does not contain. So I guess we could change this to say it does not contain the target. So if we want to make it match a little bit better, we could say here, say list does not contain plus the target, and that would be good enough, I think. So let's try that again, see if it says does not contain 195. So that's a little bit more accurate. Okay, I think that's it. Just a reminder to turn it in either here, upload your submission here, or I'd rather have you do it in Google Drive. That's probably easier for me, but either one will work. So that's it. Thanks for watching.